Good morning, good morning. All right, let me share this. A second ago it was like 9:25 and now it's 9:30. I don't know how that happens every day, but time management is clearly something I need to get better at. All right, that's what's up. It's Friday, March 22nd. Hi, what's up, Corey? What are you doing, Corey? Just creeping? All right. I know. When are you coming back? Never? Is it just like a never thing? NQ. The new Night Zones is green. 3 for 3. That's good because I, for some reason, lost connection overnight. I don't even know why. Next Friday is Good Friday. So a week from today, we will not be live. There will be no trading. We don't trade on U.S. stock market holidays. What's up, Kyle? Happy Friday. So I'll be live Monday through Thursday next week. Myself, Jen, Will, and then no one will be live on Friday unless they want to show some market replay or whatever. That's up to them. But Friday's Good Friday. The stock market's closed, therefore I do not trade. I don't know what this is. Server manager. I can just close that. I need to pull up my other. I haven't even looked at my second VPS yet. I kind of got off to a late start today, which is okay. I'm not mad at myself. Oh, fuck my life. I literally didn't. I was doing market replay last night and I didn't get out of it and turn my stuff back on. Oh, well, that's great. That's just peachy. Oh, guess what? I signed up for a pickleball tournament. My first tournament ever. I'm really excited. It's at the end of April. All right, let me get this going because, like, what am I even doing? What am I even doing? And I have stuff that starts at like 2 a.m. and I just like don't have anything. Oopsies.
Order submitted.
Nope. Miguel, you've been in the group before. Using oh my god, I don't know why I can't say it. The parallel is not going to be a good fit. It's easiest to get VPS. VPS is $50 a month. So it's pretty affordable and it's going to make it a lot easier. Like you wouldn't ever be able to let your Mac sleep or switch from the PC side to the Mac side. Like it would turn everything off. So it's safest to just do the VPS. This is my only TikTok. If someone is DMing you, it is not me. Now, there are other people in my group that have a TikTok. There is Will, there's Jen, there's Kyle, and pretty much all of their under tags are BoldBot, except for Will. He's still Mr. H Trades, and he's in the chat right now. So it's compatible with any prop firm that has Rhythmic as an option or Tradevate as an option. So the most popular ones are Apex. Apex is currently doing an 80% sale. 1-day evaluation pass, so that is a great option. You could do Lilu, you could do Top Step Trader, you could do Take Profit Trader, whatever they're called, Top Step, Take Profit Trader, any of those are something you can use. Yeah, this is my only TikTok. I will never DM you. Listen, the only way you can get in touch with myself and my team is via email. So if you're on Will's live and you see his email and you want to reach out, email him. All of the other lives are going to have my specific email right here. So boldbotllc@gmail.com. Just email me and that is it. There's no other form of communication other than that. We don't run NQ early on Fridays, so we don't care about that. Evening didn't take any trades, right? Yeah, there's a lot of people sending DMs looking like me, like they steal my picture, they steal my videos, and then they will DM you and talk about crypto and some other crazy stuff. Please do not fall for any of those scams. That is not me. I will never DM you. Literally, I will never. No, Dan, you shouldn't be in that trade because it's a no play on Friday. So you shouldn't be stomping because this is not a play for Friday. If you're running it on a Friday, then you are pretty much playing with fire. It's a no Friday play, Dan. So I'm not even worried about that trade. Replicanto's having a sale too. I think, who was it yesterday that reached out to me? So you can, if you get a bunch of accounts, say you go to Apex and you buy 5, 10, 20 accounts, it's really easy to use the Apex copier versus using the, and we don't want it to stop, we want to go back up anyway, Dan. It's a lot easier to use the Replicanto copier than it is to just run the algorithm on all of your accounts. Can I run with scissors? Yeah. Yes, Crazy Nut. It is set and ready to go. You do choose which ones you want to run, and when you get in the group, you're given access to a settings spreadsheet. A settings spreadsheet that is... What trap is that, Kenny? We're moving back up so we can show. Exactly. With a question mark. Like, what is that? I think he meant like the pre-drop now or whatever. I don't know. Nice job, Clint. So yeah, sorry. So you get access to a private setting spreadsheet that gives you the risk for each strategy, the times that each strategy runs, and then you choose what you want to run. Also, we have multiple strategies for the product like the NASDAQ because the NASDAQ is my favorite product. So you can't run, say there's 3 setups for the NASDAQ and they have overlapping times, meaning some of them run at the same time as one of the other ones. You can't run those.
Order submitted.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Target filled.
Target filled on ES. Oh, where's my little Buzzy? See, Dan, why we don't run NQ on Friday? We've made our decision, Kenny, okay? We're not sure if we're doing that yet. So yeah, all right. ES early hit target. We need some apples in the chat. That's a play today, right? Yes, it's a green play. Where's everyone on the ES early? ES early hit target. ES early has been 100% this entire week. Over $200 just with one mini. Yes, I want all the apples. All the apples. The red apples, the green apples, the yellow apples. I actually really like yellow apples. Is that weird? I like yellow apples. Oh, where is this on here? You should have seen this.
Order submitted.
But I don't actually buy yellow apples. But I will eat them, for sure. I didn't see what was in like the report that I mean the job like that, but
Order canceled.
Oh, did you get rewarded, Dan, for being bad? I actually like that. We run NQ all day. We run NQ on all day on Fridays. I'm not sure where that confusion came from. The point is, if you cannot run multiple NQ setups that overlap in time on the same account. So that's why it's best to purchase more than one Apex account. 2, 3, 5. Again, they're doing an 80% sale right now, so there's no reason. Judah, if you email me, I can send you those details. This week, we're green $750 on the standard algorithms. Well, now like $850. Last week was $4,160. On premium this week, we're green $3,500. Last week on premium, we're green $5,000. So there's two tiers to the algorithm. There is standard algorithm, which is bold range, and Oracle, which is this. And then, but within bold range, there's a lot of variations. There's RTY, ES night, ES early, NQ night, NQ early, NQ later. Oracle just has one version. So yeah. It still is probably a no for Friday, though.
Order submitted.
Even if you adjust it. Ooh, speaking of, we're in a trade. Ooh, and we're in... Oh, no, this is that one. Hold on, I have to adjust this because I had it on the other one. That was from yesterday. We are in a Oracle trade. Green, $110. It went like $140 so far. We need that little ball, the magic ball. We just got under the magic line too. Green $170 on the Oracle. Hey, how are you? Thanks for the roses. I go live every day 9:30 to 10:30. This is my fully automated algorithm. This is Oracle. Again, Oracle so far this week has made $550. And then last week it made $4,760. So this is our new favorite setup. The risk to reward is a great balance. It's like a 2-to-1 on the reward side versus the risk. If you want more information, just email me. Green, $300 on the Oracle short. Let's go. But I'm great. Thanks for asking. It's Friday. It's 9:45. $300 on this short. We got the ES long. NQ early had a short, but I don't run that today. I'm going to mark that off, though, that it did have a win. RTY hasn't taken any trades today. Make sure you tap that screen. See if we can drop below this 500. If we can drop below 500, we could easily go to the Oracle target. All right, we're at 505. Let's see if we can break 500. There we're not.
Stop filled.
What was that? So Oracle Green, 300 back to entry. Oh, that one hit that. Oh, that doesn't matter. That's something else I'm testing. I need to mute that so then it's not confusing me. That was on my other VPS. All right, Green 350. Let's go. This is what we want. Went right back. We got to break this 500. If we can break this 500. Andon uses box seats. Well, I got 2 PAs approved. But Andon is big on Vizzy and on Oracle. Oracle's just so good, and he's also a premium member, so he has access to 5 to 6 other algorithms. 5 to 6 other algorithms that standard members don't have. Who knows? So, yes, yes. Again, I go live 9:30 to 10:30. Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. today, and then will be live from 3 to 5 p.m. Make sure you follow me. Jen is in the chat, BoldBot_JustJen. Will is in the chat, Will H Trades. Looking at other people online. Yeah, of course, Kevin. I don't know why you haven't come back to my group. This is what's so funny. People will leave my group and go to like a cheaper service and then realize those cheaper services have no idea what they're doing. He said, looking at other people online messing up their trading, I must say, Lauren, you know yourself. Like, I know what I'm doing. It's actually not that hard once you know what you're looking at and what you're doing. It's not a huge discount, but it's something, Will. Today was a bad week. How does that even make any sense? Today was a bad week. What? This week was an amazing week. We're green over $800 on the standard algorithms. Were there some losses? Yes. NQ Night had a loss overnight. But it was a great week. Last week was an even better week because it was like $5,000. But you can't have a $5,000 week every week. It's just not possible. But a $5,000 week on a $500 trial is pretty good. And even a $800 week on, and it's about to be a $900 week on a...
Order canceled.
On a $500 trial is pretty good. So we still did not break that 500. Yes.
Order submitted.
And now it's in a long. All right, cool. Nice job, Andon. Also, if this doesn't show that I know what I'm talking about, I don't know. I don't know what will. So this is Kenny. He's been with me since 2020. And this was his weekly performance this week.
Target filled.
Target filled on NQ Zones, 4 for 4 today for $400. That's a premium setup. So again, premium is $500 more per month. But this one setup made $400 today. And on the week, premium is green, $3,590. So yeah, congrats, Kenny. But anyway, I was looking also at other people. Andon posted his results, $300 to $20. Nice job, Andon. Beast, I taught Beast how to trade. He's coming to Vegas. I can't wait. He made, I don't know, $1 million pre-market. Dana, thank you, CL. One and done. $600 across all of his accounts. We had some amazing results yesterday, too. So great. So great. Even though yesterday was like a bloody and choppy day, and I talked about it several times. Oh, she's sending me a picture. All right, let's go. I want my student play. Oh, someone else just posted. Carlos, nice job, Carlos. He's a premium member. Yes, Kenny is the GOAT. Oh, Vizzy's in a $300 long. Hold on. Vizzy's in a long. Yes. You can use Take Profit Trader. You can use Top Step. You can use Lilu. Any company that connects through our trader, Rhythmic, Tradeovate, you can use them on the algorithms. Yes. Somebody just emailed and asked, so I figured I would say that again. You can. That's going to be, Dan, that question's going to need to go in the Apex channel. Let me reroute you. It's like I'm like a call center here. Let me reroute you to the appropriate area. All right, green 360. Again, this is a premium setup. So again, the zones premium setup that's down below. This is separate. This is 4 for 4 for 400 today. This is a separate, and this is what Andon loves. This is Vizzy. It had one loss for $200, and now it's in a $400 long, so it's net $200 on the day if you took profit here. But the trail will follow. It will continue moving up. FYI, we are testing a London setup on Vizzy, so Andon, get ready for that. It's been doing pretty well. So we are testing something. Yeah, no. But it doesn't belong in chat. I don't know. I feel like we either had to do that at the beginning or maybe I've never done it. I can't really remember. I also have a horrible memory. Nice, Tino. Yeah, so obviously if you want to be up, but if you have Rhythmic, you can do that profit goal. Essentially, if you're sleeping overnight and you want to put it in Rhythmic that, hey, if I make $200, turn everything off, it will turn everything off as soon as you hit $200, even if it's in the middle of a trade. So good, Andon. So, Vizzy, Oracle, all that. All of that. What's the name? I'm sure I just already know. All right, $420 on this Vizzy Long. Nice job, Clint. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, still in this long of Vizzy. That's the only trade I'm in right now. Everything else is green. 4 for 4 on NQ zones. 1 for 1 on NQ early, which I was not running today. 1 for 1 on NQ Oracle. 1 for 1 on ES early. It's a great Friday. I said it would be. Oh, but NQ Night did have a loss. So that is the one loss today. NQ Night is 0 for 1. But it hasn't had a loss in so long. So... and ES Night had a win. NQ early, 1 for 1. ES early, 1 for 1. NQ Oracle, 1 for 1. So the only loss we've had so far today is the NQ Night. And that loss has been not fully covered yet. But if you took profit, if you like kind of grabbed that $300 from Oracle, which has been happening all week, NQ Night was a play. It's green. Was it not a play before and then I changed it? No, just no Monday, Thursdays. Yeah, I think I recently changed it. Did it used to be no Monday, Thursday, Friday? NQ Night. No Monday, Thursday. Every other day is good. Yeah, it was a play today. Yeah, if you got the trial, you could be up and running in 30 minutes. 60 minutes. Definitely by Monday, for sure. You know, you want to get acclimated with the group and see things appropriately, but yeah. But again, if you guys have been paying attention to Oracle this week, it has gone green $300 essentially on every trade. Every trade that it's taken this week has been green $300 and then it pulls back. So by saying that, maybe you keep a closer eye on it and it's like, okay, it goes $300. You're going to at least get $150 off of that instead of just the $50 offset because it's just been doing that all week. Like when something shows you what it's doing or it tells you how it acts, you know, it's best to believe it, essentially. Night zones was not a play. Right. NQ Night zones, Carlos. I think maybe that is what he's talking about. Not NQ Night range. Did NQ Night zones have any trade? All my stuff was turned off, so I have no idea. I'm going to have to get this information from y'all. Listen, I'm ready for it. I am ready for it. right. This is exactly what we want. And Vizzy is catching it. $580 on this long now. Yeah, Tito, let's keep that here and not there. In the student chat.
Order submitted.
This is playing out. Already broke that. Let's go. Magic ball. Magic. Other people are posting results. PA number 8 in the books. Thank you, BoldBot team. Nice job, Anthony. We're moving. This is what we want, right? This is what we want. This is what we've been waiting for since 8:45. I love that cash register sound. It's the best. Hey, FYI, we're in a long on Oracle Green, $200. Again, this is what I'm saying. Every day this week when it trades, it goes positive $250, $350, $400. So you do with that information what you want. No, I do not. Are you on the old setup, Chris? Green, 220 on this long. Guaranteed green on Oracle. Guaranteed green. I need everyone in chat. I need the little magic balls. It's like a little fortune teller. So we're still in the long on Vizzy too. How much has that gone to? The long on Vizzy is $700. $700 on this Vizzy long. $800 on this long. No, we don't worry about that, Jason. That's not something you worry about. Focus on your student play, period. $800 on this Vizzy long. Green, over 300 on Oracle. Again, every day this week, it's gone 300 and turned around. Good job, Peter. Very good job. Oracle's still in this long. Green, 275. It's scary, hot, cold. What? I don't even know what that means. Vizzy is still in a long, $840. So Vizzy's in the long. Oracle's in a $300 long. Let's keep going. Yes. Oh, I like the disco ball mic. Look at all my mics coming through. You guys are so great. And the Oracle image. Oh, what a surprise. What a surprise. Rejecting from 63. Almost 10 points here on that. This is what I'm saying. If you're going for scalp, you can get it real easily. Yep, Vizzy's green over, I don't know, it was like $900 a minute ago.
Stop order canceled.
Vizzy's still in this long. Oracle took profit at the offset. Again, it went over $300. Great job. Great job, Peter. Great job. Yep, 63 is a level I gave to my students, and we took the short there. 63 is now at 47. 15 points on the short. Something we talked about at 8:45 this morning. And it's still dropping. Nice job, Scott. Another great day for Scott. $600 on all of his
Order
accounts.
canceled.
But this is what I'm saying about Oracle. I feel like I've said this like 5 times now. Every day this week, it's gone positive 300 in every trade it's been in. And there was one trade where it went right to the loss, but everything else positive 300, positive 300. Like, I'm not saying you have to interfere, but on a week like this week where it's FOMC, maybe it's a little choppy, whatever, why wouldn't you just take that money? Also, this has now dropped 20 points from the level I gave my students. 20 points is $400 per mini on the student drop. Yep, over 20 points. This was, listen, I can show you my picture. This was a student play today. And this was given hours ago. Well, maybe not. Yeah, an hour and a half, 90 minutes ago. Price was all the way down here, and I said I want it to move up. This was my play. Here, short. Here, short. So this is where we are, the yellow line, and the drop back down. Over 22 points on this one move. All you have to do is listen to my student call. That's all you got to do. It's 10:10. I'm going to wrap it up soon because, now 25 points on this drop. Because I'm going to go play some pickleball, and they have a short window today. Now 30 points on this short. 30 points. Thank you, Daniel. Nice job, Carlos. Look at Carlos. Updated numbers. Oracle and the student play. I'm done for the day. Nice job. This was Scott. I hadn't shown him yet. Another great day. Scott made like $600 across all of his accounts. He's clearly using the Replicento copier or the Apex copier. The Replicento is just so much better. Brings to my accounts. So, no, but see, Ash, this is where I get annoyed. So he turned off all of his algorithms, and now he's manually trading, but he's not a student. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go rip his ass. He had one loss last night for $500 and then turned everything off. That's not how you run the algorithms. It's not. Like, it's ridiculous. You cannot post results that are inaccurate of what happened. Because if he left his algorithms on last night, he would now be green on all of his accounts. Because NQ Zones went 4 for 4 for $400. NQ, well, not NQ Early because we don't run it today. Oracle is 2 for 2 for $100. ES Early was 1 for 1 for $50. Like, that's not accurate information. Yeah, well, I'm not letting people post a whole spew of red when he got scared after one loss last night and turned everything off. You have to, and what I told him is, if you're not okay, nice job, Anthony just scalped 1,000 on Oracle. Nice job, Anthony. If you're not okay with a $500 loss, that's fine. Then you need to be trading micros. Because I tell you every single risk associated with each trade, with each setup. So if you know, hey, NQ Night has a risk of $500 and that's too much for me, then you need to trade micros. Trade 5 micros and then your risk is $250.
Order canceled.
All right, this is still that short from 43. And the magic line's at 25. All right, I'm going to pickleball. It's 10:15. I want to get some pickleball in. I have a tournament coming up in a few weeks, okay? The student play played out. NQ Early was green. ES Early was green. ES Night was green.
Submitted.
Oracle was green. Vizzy was green. NQ Zones were green. I don't know what else you want from me. Okay, bye. Happy Friday. Bye, YouTube. If you want more information, just email me.